Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, I've got this really cool collection of folded business cards in the Foldfactory archive, and today is the day I feel like sharing some of my favorites with you. I've got 7 cool designs, so let's take a closer look. I'm going to start with this vertical trifold card with a shaped panel and tucked cover. This really looks like a normal business card until you realize that there are 2 more panels and lots of additional real estate on the inside for content. The simple slit and tuck is a nice element and makes it interactive without being fussy. Now let's look at a miniaturized version of the sleeve mailer, which I've featured many times on the show. This company manufactures laser cutting machines, and so they made a mini sleeve, and you pull out the business card, which shows through the delicate laser cutting on the outer sleeve. A very cool way to provide a business card and a product sample at the same time. Okay, now let's look at how you can add a lot of information and imagery to a small card. This is a business card with a zip strip. Sorry, I already opened the zip strip a long time ago, but when you zip it open, which is fun and unexpected, you reveal a message and find 4 rolling interior panels with a photo of the creative team. I love this one. Here's another solution for adding a ton of content to a classic card. Think of this as a business card base with a simple little V-shaped die cut, and then when you slide off the little nested wrap, you'll see it's a roll fold with an entire resume and partial portfolio on it. One of the things I like about this is that you can put it back together, but the card also works by itself once the wrap is removed. Now let's look at some dimensional ideas. Here's a cool card design with a diagonal fold that collapses down, and when you open it up you can see the entire logo. It's eye-catching, artful, and simple. It's a long rectangle with 2 scores. This fold reminds me of the rolling knot, if you remember that from episode 345. Next up is a tiny V-format pop-up business card with a creative die-cut shape and an interesting dimensional reveal. I just think this is so neat. I mean, great use of basic pop-up format to surprise and delight. Last up is my most favorite dimensional business card in my entire collection. This was for a virtual reality software company, and the card folds out to create a virtual environment, and there's a little person that folds up into the room. These cards were all different with different rooms inside, and the fold-up people were designed to look like the avatar of the person whose card it was. Just brilliant. This cool concept also works enlarged to a full-size brochure. I think it's cool to see something that everyone expects to receive in a specific format reinvented in creative ways. And I really like how some of these samples are fun and aesthetic, while some are designed for the purpose of presenting a lot more information than a standard business card can hold. So, I don't know, maybe it's time to rethink your business card. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.